What's up, everyone? Thanks for joining me again on Patrick's Entertainment Purposes Only. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. And listen, before we get started, smash that like button, drop a comment down below, subscribe to this channel, and go ahead and share it. This way the algorithm with YouTube gets to as many people as possible. It helps me out and it helps other people out that don't know that much about investing. Maybe they'll look into some of the projects that we're talking about here. And let's get this right out of the way. The market is red, right? I get questions all the time. Keith, you're full-time crypto with the market down as much as it is right now. How the heck do you make money? What are you doing? What are you buying? What are you selling? And those are, honestly, those are valid points. So I wanted to do a video on kind of what I do. Now, obviously, everyone else is different. This is just what I do personally. So if I talk about any projects on this channel, do your research on them before you buy. I'm not telling you to buy them. I'm just saying this is what I'm in, this is what I like and why I like it. And then we just go from there. So listen, your Bitcoins, Ethereums, BNB, these are all massive, massive projects. Yes, are they getting wrecked? Yes. Everything is getting wrecked right now. The market is totally down. I'll get into how I currently make money in this down market, but I'm holding Ethereum. I'm holding XRP. I love XRP, the project, the team, even though it's going through right now that SEC lawsuit. In my personal opinion, I think once that case is done and XRP gets back on exchanges, it's going to be all hands on deck. Everyone's going to try and get a piece of XRP as fast as possible, and that coin's just going to shoot up like crazy. Obviously, that's my personal opinion. So yeah, obviously, now's the time to invest, right? So now's the time where I'm trying to grab as much as possible for the longer term. Bitcoin will hit triple digits, in my personal opinion, but it's not going to be tomorrow, next month. It might not even be the first quarter or two in 2022. It might be later on in quarter 3, quarter 4, 2023. I don't know. I don't give dates, specific dates on when something's gonna go crazy. I do that with Shibnobi a little bit because of the projects they have coming out. Now, Bitcoin's being adopted by major companies. There's car dealerships that are going to start using Bitcoin. It's going to be a currency where people just interact and buy it for goods. And that is something that's not going to go away. The US dollar obviously is getting worth less and less every day. The US dollar is horrific right now. So Bitcoin is, for me, it's a long-term hold. Yes, there's people that day trade it all the time, but if you're gonna buy it, I hold it. I'm gonna wait for that long-term gain. Same thing with Ethereum. The Ethereum blockchain is the biggest blockchain out there. So many companies and projects are on the Ethereum blockchain. It's not going anywhere. Yes, we see this dip, but what do they always say? When in doubt, zoom out. You know, that's a crazy little phrase there. But take a look at, here, let's just go. I mean, this is Ethereum. If you bought there, obviously you're doing great. Even if you bought here, you're doing great. Will we see, look at what happened here, right? We see the spikes, and then as soon as it got down to here, everyone was like, oh crap, bear market, life is over as we know it. But then look what happened here. Now in my personal opinion, this right here is gonna become this little bump right here, to where then we're gonna trade sideways for a while, right? We'll go down, trade sideways, and then have another massive pump up. Ethereum is gonna be a mega coin. Everyone uses it. OpenSea with NFTs use it. Everyone uses it, right? So long term. And this right here literally was 2018. January 13th, 2018 is when we saw that big spike, right? So 3 years, 4 years later, we went from $1,300 at a peak to $4,600 at the peak. Crazy. 3 years later, we had that 18, 19, 20, 21. So the end of 21, right? So almost 4 years, we had a pike. But that's a $4,000. That's a $4,000, $4,300 spike in the matter of 4 years. That's $1,000 spike a year, just about. So look at the metaverse coins are so hot right now. Everyone's getting into the metaverse, right? So just everything's down. Stay focused. Everyone's going to panic sell. That's just what people do. And that's going to drive the price down. Panic selling drives it down. Why would you buy a token, say, let's use Mana for instance. Mana, I think, got up to like $4 or $5. What was Mana's all-time high was $5.50 roughly. Why would you sell Mana if you bought it at $5.50 for right now at $2.53? It doesn't make sense. You're automatically going to lose money. In my personal opinion, these metaverse coins are the future. Metaverse is going to be key in the future projects, 100%. Now, I'm gobbling up as much of these as possible. These are my favorite, right? So I'll just say these top four. Even Wax, I love Wax too. Everything's down. It's going to go back up. When? I don't know, but it will. So I'm trying to gobble up as much as possible. So now when people say, how do you make money right now in a market? If I buy Mana and it goes down over the last 7 days, 20%, I'm in the hole. I'm not making any money. What I do is I am big on the crypto.com ecosystem. I use their DeFi wallet all the time, and they have a staking, mining, and farming platform where you can make insane returns. And that's what I do. So what I do is I'll buy and stake on their platform and get my monthly income that I get a month through that. So I'm not selling XRP at a loss. I'm not selling Sandbox, Mana. I'm not selling my major coins at a loss. What I'm doing is I'm staking and farming my coins that are on Crypto.com's ecosystem, their platform, and I'm gaining nice returns. I still have my coins on there. I can pull them at any time, but I'm getting rewards I can take on a daily, monthly basis. Now, what I do is I usually take half out for myself for a monthly income, and then I take the other half and I reinvest that in a staking platform as well. So now I'm compounding more and more. So every month I'm getting bigger and bigger returns. So that's just a little bit about what I do. Just look into it. Do your own research, obviously. Listen, if this helped out any way, smash that like button. Drop a comment down below what your favorite projects are. And go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Listen, I will see you guys next time. Thanks.